the Aussie pairs, I mean. As I showed you here, the yen is slightly positive. We do have kind of a buy signal for the day on the yen. This is a positive day for the yen, and we should be looking for it to move higher. So with that, you can see the corresponding decline in the Aussie yen. And the Aussie yen is quite interesting. It has been holding these structural points very, very well. One of the beautiful things about the Aussie, it has a high degree of respect to the structural points across the board. And specifically with the yen. So the main structural point is the 82.35. The other structural point is the 81.57. And we did have a sell signal, and that's why it's a red color, so I'm going to delete that here. So these are your two structural points. We are now sitting at 81.70. Your structural point to the downside is 81.57. On your intraday chart, that is your 81.57 structural point. Oops. That is our 81.57 structural point. So this is how we're sitting right at it, so there is no reason for us to force the issue. So we're going to short the Aussie yen below 81.57. It is our structural short point, and of course it is also going to be our stop. Now, that's the short, that's the easy part. Let's do the long. If I look at this chart and I'm trying to analyze it from a technical standpoint, I can see that 80.07 could be an intraday structure. So that will be my buying point. So I'll buy it above here. That will be my buying point. And if I do, I'm going to place my stop below the low of the day. Which is the 81.65, so I'm risking about 30 pips on that trade. So I'm going to buy it above 82. What's the number? I'm buying it above 82.07. And if I do, my stop is going to be 81.85. And the next structure long point to the upside is the 82.35. So I'm looking to sell this below the structural point, which is the 81.57. That's going to be our short entry and our structural short and stop. On the long side, I'm only going to go above, to buy it above 82.07, which is an intraday structure. If I do, my stop is going to be below 81.85, and I do have a structural long point at 82.35. Okay? That is the Aussie yen. So let me save that, and now we're on the top of the hour.